Alright boys, welcome back to another video, and today it's going to be a short one. We're just washing the Cougar. I'm going to go fill up my bucket. The garden hose is probably 40 yards that way, so we're going to have to do it the old-fashioned way. You know, fill it up, wash it down, dump that because it's going to be dirty obviously, fill it back up with soap, and then do a real wash, and then we'll dry her off. So stay tuned. If you haven't watched the revival already, go check that out. Put it at the end of the video in the description, and I'll put a card right here. Let's get to it. Looks good so far. Alright, now I'm going to get rid of this stuff and put some soap in here, and then we'll wash it that way. That didn't work out too well. I'm gonna go get some water, and then we'll splash her down. Now we dry it off. well, that's about it. I think it shined up pretty nice. Of course, I'm going to take more care of it when I have better access, but that's it. Like, comment, subscribe. Also, let me know if you want to see me power wash Noah's Jeep for no good reason. Peace out, boys.